Assalamu alaikum everyone. My name is Irfan and today I'm making a video on searching about free Arabic learning or online courses. So let us just see if there's any Arabic courses online for free. Arabic. So I'm going to click on Duolingo here. This link www.duolingo.com. Okay, let's see. Bismillah. And we can see here I actually logged in earlier, so it's already here. Let us see. Here's my account. Let me just log out for you guys and show you how it goes. Okay, so the first page will look like this, and you just press get started, then select the language that you want to learn. So for now we will select Arabic, and after the buffering finishes you should select why, like the purpose of your learning. So culture, brain training, family and friends, travel, other, school, job opportunities, you can select anyone. So let me just select brain training. Continue. So how much time do you want to invest on learning Arabic? There's 5 minutes, 10 minutes, 15 minutes, 20 minutes. So they categorized into casual, regular, serious and intense. So I'll just select the default regular one. Continue. And then if you want to link your Facebook account, then we click on continue with Facebook. If you want to open an account with Gmail, then click on the second option, continue with Google. So I'll just press continue with Facebook. I want to link my Facebook with this, and it's here. It's not that hard. And if you are in basic level, for example like alphabets and stuff, then start from the beginning. You start. Let me just show you. And here, if you click on this button, you can hear the pronunciation. For example, now the woman or this. Now you can hear the zoo. So you can. It's easy in the beginning. So I'll select and check. Done. So it's correct. And after you finish, now it's the opposite. They just gave you the pronunciation like I, and you should select which one of this is. So it's the first one, yeah, obviously. Yeah. So it's like a game, but it's like you won't get bored if you after 10 minutes. If you get bored, then you can select 5 minutes like part-time learning. So now I can hear the, I guess. So it's the third option. Yeah. So gradually you'll get better if you learn. So let me just go back and show you how it gets like how it gets on the proper levels. Let me just select this one. I think it's gonna be hard for me. So here it says doctor, so I think it's doctor. Check. Yeah. Continue. Zaid is a translator. So Zaid is it I think Mutarjam, this one. Yeah, correct. Zaid is a translator. Sign Jadid Wakarim. Sign. So let me just hear again. Oh, there's another button, and you can see a turtle here. That means you can hear the voice in slow motion if you're getting problem normally. Sam جديد وكريم. Check. And here now it's written in English. Zaid is amazing. So here's Zaid. Amazing. I think it's the do Mumtaz, I guess. Yep. The Mumtia. So if you're new in learning Arabic, I think this it's the best website. I'll give you the link of the software. It's there on it's there on Play Store for Android. So if you're feeling bored in laptop for Windows, Windows or Mac, then just install it on your phone. I don't know if it's there in Mac or iOS, but it's there on smartphone. I've already used it. If you want to make a video on that too, then please comment, and you can contact me on Instagram. So until next time, Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Thank you everyone.